Good afternoon, students. Let's start. We had already started a chapter 3 drainage in geography and we had completed almost all the main topics. But one topic is remaining, drainage pattern. Means we are discussing the river system in this chapter, but some things are mostly important, that are pattern. What is drainage pattern? The question is arising, what is drainage pattern? Drainage pattern means a river takes for flowing a pattern, that is called drainage pattern. So here we see 4 different types of pattern that taking by the rivers. So first pattern is dendritic. Why this calling dendritic? Because here are some important features of that pattern below. River flows with the slope of terrain, means all things depend on the terrain. Terrain means a surface that over the river flows. So here this is a main river and it flows into a particular direction, and after that it takes a turn, means it form a pattern of tree, that is called dendritic pattern, because it divided into different branches. And here are the important point you can learn for this dendritic pattern. River flows with the slope of terrain, means river flows about their terrain and slope, that's why it divided into different branches and form a tree pattern. It resembles the branches of a tree. You can just see the pattern, you can understand it properly. Next, trellis. What is trellis? Trellis means in this pattern the hard and soft rocks exist, means in this pattern the surface of the earth, there river flows, and it takes, when it move toward hard rock, it turn to the next opposite direction, and when it found the soft rock, they move softly or smoothly. That's why these rivers and tributaries taking parallel to each other. So hard and soft rock exist parallel to each other. That's why these pattern is like this. Tributaries are joined at the right angle. This is the most important fact of this trellis pattern. Every turn, every triangular, every turn, these pattern joined at the right angle. That's why you can learn for this feature of this trellis. Next is rectangular pattern. Here you can see this is the plane surface, and see that the river flows in a particular manner or direction and turn after getting the soft or hard rock. So develops on the strongly joined rock terrain. When river flows and it take the rocks, right, its traveling time, some rocks are there, hard rocks are there, it turns towards the opposite to the rock. That's why these structure are in the rectangular form. So here you can understand properly that rectangular is forming the rectangular formation. So this is the third feature of drainage pattern and third part or pattern of river system. Next, at the last, radial. Why we calling this radial? Because here so many different main rivers and its branches. And first important thing is there is the origin point is that it elevated portion, means these are above the surface, elevated portion, and when it come down towards the plain surface, it divided into small tributaries, and their flowing pattern is slowly. That's why rivers flowing from a central peak to different direction, that is called radial. So I hope you understand these 4 types of drainage pattern. Here below you can see that this is the important features of that particular drainage pattern. And one important thing is that you can note it down properly that different questions are arising from this pattern. So many times you can ask that write the different pattern, drainage pattern of the river system, or explain the dendritic pattern, how dendritic pattern is different from the radial pattern. So these questions are arising and you can proper all these 3-4 answers from here. So you can note it down, learn it properly. Thank you. Stay safe.